We are very happy today to have 4 of our students securing position in the list, the SSLC list. And as far as Menang is concerned, well, I was fortunate to be his class teacher. We are very happy, first of all, because Menang has been throughout an Anthonian, right from his kindergarten, from the junior school. So he came up to this side of the school. I got to teach Menang in class 10 only, and looking at this boy's the manner in which he was conducting himself, I was observing him. Immediately I decided to make him the monitor of the class. So seeing him, I always had my watchful eyes on him. So he would perform his duties diligently and with sincerity and responsibility. So these were 3 things that I saw in him when the classes we had arranged for the beginning of the classes after the pandemic. Then the next thing I saw about him was his humility. He was a very humble boy. Always, his body language, the manner in which he would talk to teachers, he would address teachers, and he would abide by it. He was the real, complete student. Then, even the feedback that I would get from all the other subject teachers was always wonderful about Menang. Now, today, Menang's success, the credit goes firstly to him because it's because of his hard work. And thereafter, the other teachers who have taught him right from the junior school, because that is how the foundation came about. So his success, there's so many who have contributed, and finally the boy has done it, and therefore the shine and the glory and the joy and all that. Next, the support that he got from his home. So home is the first school. So that is where the actual education of the child. Home plays such a crucial role. We as teachers, we guide, we correct. Menang always took the corrections positive. So there's something very positive about him in the manner in which he would go about with his work. A small example I would give you is when I made him write and rewrite his English answers, especially the composition part. I saw the patience in this boy, because in the month of February, we were busy with classes, but this boy, all the way from home, he would come down from Lumparing Hills, he would come down and show me his work. Now, if we have a student who's that sincere, then definitely, it's a pleasure for the teachers, for all the other subject teachers, all the other teachers who have taught him. Definitely, they are very proud. The school is proud, his home is proud. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. And I wish him good luck. He's a promising young man for the state, for the country. Thank you.